Mayor Keith Ogle, and we are out at the Frankfort Fishing Derby. It is a beautiful day out here. Last year it was 90 and humid. Today we're about 70 degrees, beautiful, sunshiny, and the fish are biting. This is also the largest group that we've ever had for this. This is the 20th year that we've done the Fishing Derby, and we have 80 children signed up for this year. Now this is a catch and release event. It's a sustainable event and getting people started in fishing, and it's just a fantastic hobby to have, a lifelong hobby. We have largemouth bass, we have catfish and bluegill that are all stocked out in the pond here. So if you weren't able to get in this year, we hope to see you next year, but in the meantime, have a great summer.